love, but the friends I have, they want to fade away. Want to be loved before I get you by my side and just hold you till your Christmas. Love you, running on my mind. I wanna make up right now, now, now. I wanna make up right now, now, now. We should never broke up right now, now, now. We need to make up right now, now, now. I wanna make up right now, now, now. I wanna make up right now, now, now. Wish we never broke up right now, now, now. We need to make up right now, now, now. Girl, I know. And you showed alright last night. And you said something brand new. Why'd you go? Haven't seen my darkest friend. Not gonna feel the way you walk. You wanna hold me in love with a friend. I wanna make up right now, now, now. I wanna make up right now, now, now. We never broke up right now, now, now. We need to make up right now, now, now. I wanna make up right now, now, now. I wanna make up right now, now, now. Wish we never broke up right now, now, now. We need to make up right now, now, now. Watching every day that goes by. Feel like I keep asking all the time. You are the apple of my eye. I can't lie. Watching every day that goes by. Feel like I keep asking all the time. You are the apple of my eye. I wanna make up right now, now, now. I wanna make up right now, now, now. Wish we never broke up right now, now, now. We need to make up right now, now, now. I wanna make up right now, now, now. I wanna make up right now, now, now. Wish we never broke up right now, now, now. We need to make up right now, now, now.
Magulo? That was fabulous.
Certainly fabulous.
That was just massive.
Massive and really incredible.
That was a proper number.
Proper number. I loved it.
At kasama natin ang mga sikat natin mga kapuso. Kami?
Ay, oo. Kayo yun.
Kami ba yun?
Kayo yun.
Kami na nga nagpipilian, sabi ni Arnold, kanya-kanya kami ng araw. Kanya kami kasi katumahan. Kaya lang yung mga fans namin nanganak na.
Kaya na. Tawagin po natin.
Narito sina Marian and Dingo. Yan. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Para party. Hello. Nandito si Domyan. Domyan ang katawag ko.
Domyan, yan.
Para parangalan at i-congratulate. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. We would like to call in Miss Aurora Suarez, publisher of Yes Magazine, and Ana Pico, editor of Yes Magazine. Ayun po sila. Sabi mo na.
Miss Ana.
Ay, Ana. Ay, babasahin ka na, Ana.
Pakibasa lang po ang nilalaman.
Kaya award na lang namin. Yes, Reader's Choice.
Wow.
Kay Marian, Cover of the Year. Wow.
Ayan, hawakan ko mic mo.
Yan, tapos Marian Dingdong, Love Team of the Year. And si Aljur Abrenica, Next Big Male Star.
Wow!
Pero ka pala eh!
Kaya ka pala nandiyan eh. Proud ka kay Aljur.
And Ding
Proud.
Dong,
Siyempre, proud ka.
Ding Dong at Young Male Superstar.
Thank you. Alam mo, nakakatuwa lahat ito mga kapuso, mga kasama natin dito sa SOB, mga kasama natin dito sa GMA. Congratulations, Ding Dong, for winning Yes Reader's Choice Award. Young Male Superstar.
Congratulations, ha?
Marian Rivera for winning Cover Story of the Year, Getting to Know Marian. And Aljur Abrenica for winning Next Big Male Star.
Correct. Yung Reader's Choice yan, di ba?
Yes, yes.
Bumoto kayong dalawa, no?
Bumoto kayo.
Ang dami nyo.
Bumoto nyo si Aljur. Sila. Kasi ako. At si Dino at si Marian for winning Yes Reader's Choice, Most Popular Love Team in the Universe.
Uy, Aljur. Papasalamat ka muna, Aljur.
Yan, hello. Hello, yan. Una-una, maraming salamat kay God, yan, sa family ko, sa mga nag-vote sa akin, sa mga fans na nag-vote, yan, sa parents ko. maraming salamat sa inyo. And Dong Marian, congratulations. Ayan. Kay Direk Romel Gacho, kay Direk Perry Lansigan, maraming salamat. At sa lahat ng mga bosses ng GMA at sa mga press, maraming salamat. SOP, thank you.
Marian and
Nakapalala sa Yes Magazine. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Kami talaga, Lord.
Marian
Ayan,
and Ding Dong.
papasalamat kami sa Yes Magazine. At sa lahat po ng bumoto sa amin, salamat po.
Ako sa lahat ng naniniwala, sa lahat ng bumoto, sa lahat ng tumatangkilik, maraming salamat. That's through Yes Magazine. Natanggap namin kung parang ano to. Kaya maraming salamat sa lahat ng tao behind Yes Magazine. Thank you very much.
Again, congratulations, Ding Dong, Marian, and Aljur.
Ay, Arthur!
Hindi lang yun, congratulations sa babaeng inugot sa ako.
Oo. Abangan nyo ho, mas magiging exciting yan. Magmula na sa Monday.
Naku naman, aabangan natin lahat yan.
Ito. Kung
At
kayo,
isa pang dapat
mas
natin
mabigat to.
congratulate.
Mas mabigat.
Si Direk Louie Ignacio. Dahil we will be having his first one-man exhibit bukas na. February 16, 6:30 p.m. at Artesia Gallery, 4th floor ng SM Mega Mall, Building A.
Congratulations, Louie.
Congratulations yan ang lahat ng award, aanihin yan. At
Correct.
mamaya, magmamakita tayo ng mga bonggang-bongga at napakagandang painting si Direk Louie Ignacio dito sa SOP, kaya abangan niyo yan. Kasabay pa ang inaabangan kang namin sa SOP. So, stick around.
Meanwhile, mga kapuso,
Congratulations na ulit sa inyo. So, yan.
Aljur, congrats.
Marian,
Live na live po tayo dito sa SOP ngayon. Nandito po sila Moy Palaboy at meron silang treat para sa lovers out there. At ang galing na kami, Aljur! At si Marian!